What I loved about Yiddish was that embedded in the language was everything that was wonderful about being Jewish. It was in the language. It was in the sound of the language. It had a kind of softness to it. It had a kind of an indulgence to it. It had a lusciousness to it. It was fun. You know, everything was built into the language that I love about Yiddishkeit. So, and all those things I've taken with me. I mean, the language may not have come along, but all those qualities feel like they are great values of mine.